Welcome. I'm Chris Beaver, co-founder of AdvisoryCloud, and today we're going to be learning more about one of the many companies using AdvisoryCloud to connect with advisors and build an advisory board. We have Gustavo Aparicio with us, CEO of Spanglish Movies. Gustavo, welcome.
Thank you so much, Chris.
So we're very excited to have you here. Just to get us started, can you give us kind of a high-level overview of Spanglish Movies, your role, and really what the mission of the company is that you've set out with?
Basically, we distribute content for the U.S. Hispanic diaspora. It's a 60 million people diaspora. They consume a lot of content. They are the main consumers, even of mainstream films. And we are a major player in the distribution of Hispanic content.
What led you to the creation of this company? What was it about your background that you see as making you successful in this space, and that you realized there was a need for Spanglish Movies?
We are ex-20th Century Fox executives. I used to run a handful of countries in Latin America. We created based on what Fox had done with Fox Searchlight for art house properties. Basically, we created a copy and paste for the Hispanic audience. And then we began to produce originals for the platforms, trying to create more a vertical integration in our industry and creating either long feature films or series. Can
you tell us a little bit more about some of the momentum and the successes that you and the business have already achieved?
We are, we have now like 160 films in our catalog. All our films are theatrical releases. There was a big competitor in the West Coast, it's called Pantaleon. They basically are giving us their lineup to distribute. So we are now the only major film distributor for the Hispanic market in the US.
What do you see on your roadmap in terms of next steps to continue growing the business? What are you looking forward to?
Two things. On the one hand, increasing the volume of properties and the quality of the properties we both distribute and produce. It's business as usual, bigger and better. On another path, we wish to work together with big advertising companies because we can provide the tool for their brands, for their account, to have presence in audiovisual content. We can do the whole path, which is a new world for us.
Well, Gustavo, thank you again so much for joining us today. We really appreciate it. I'm looking forward to keeping an eye on your business and everything that you're able to do with your advisors from AdvisoryCloud. So thank you again for your time today.
Thank you, Chris. Thank you for your time. It's fantastic to be here.